Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's definitely been a long time since I've done a video like this. Probably about a year. And it's going to be a 1-year review for the Volume Simworks tires that I've been running. Action. Yeah, these tires have been super awesome. It's been an entire year running the same set of tires. Commuting on them, thrashing on them, shredding constantly, you know, skids, foot jams, everything. Yeah, the tires have just only held up so well. You know, from jumping off things, you know, things 6 foot tall to just bumping off curbs and thrashing downstairs. It's definitely probably one of the best tires that I've ever had, especially on this bike, as you can see behind me. But yeah, we're gonna check it out, do some little close-ups, swap out some new tires that I got from Simworks, get some freshies. It's gonna be sick. Check it out. Sweet, got the tires off. So this one was the rear, which doesn't seem too bad. Definitely got a little thinner in the middle. A little bit of life left. Oh yeah, and there was definitely some punctures and stuff. I don't know if you can see it, but you know, going a little hard. And this one's the front. Definitely still has some life in it, which is rad. I don't know if you can see, but it's a little worn on one side from doing fish and chips and sliders and stuff, so the usual wear. Definitely see the sidewalls wear and tear on that compared to them being brand new. Alright, all nice and brown. Super dirty. Alright, well, let's get those new ones on. We got the tires all on, all set up, locked everything down, tightened all them bolts, finishing touches. You know, gotta make sure you have your caps on. Oh yeah. Okay, just one more. Oops, got in the bead. Alright, well, time to take it outside and make sure she's all good. So that was putting on the new tires. Definitely stoked to have some freshies, as those other ones were definitely getting a little bit thin. But I only got, what, 2 flats? 2 for the whole year, with all the shit that I've been doing on it. So definitely pretty stoked on how awesome they are and how good they are for you know, trick tracking and tarking around, but still able to send it and jump off some cool stuff. So yeah, check some clips that I got from out the year. You know, I'm not going to spoil all of it, as I've been filming for some stuff to come, but yeah, if you haven't checked my Instagram compilation, I will do, you know, somewhere over, where's that, for, I think here, somewhere, or is it here? Over there, yeah. No, wait, there. Yeah, so check that link if you haven't watched it, and see you guys next time.